Trading in commodities are subject to market risk. Read the detailed disclaimer carefully available on the screen. Good morning, viewers. In today's video, we'll be talking about pulses outlook. To begin with the prices overview, Chana prices in Delhi traded down by 1.2%, while in Bikaner it traded down by 0.8% week over week. Meanwhile, in Tur prices in Akola market, it traded up by 2.6%, and in Gulbarga, it traded up by 2.5% week over week. In Masoor prices, we have seen prices traded down in Indore by 0.3% versus last week, while yellow pea prices in Kanpur market traded up by 4% versus last week. In Urad prices in Mumbai traded down by 0.8% week over week. Now starting with the sowing progress. As of 21st Jan, government reported Rabi pulses acreage increased by 0.9% year over year at 164.3 lakh hectares. Chana acreages increased by 3.9% year over year to 113.3 lakh hectares. Chana acreages increased mainly in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Lentil area has also increased by 3.2% year over year to 17.4 lakh hectares. Lentils area increased majorly in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Moong area has declined by 20.8% year over year at 4.7 lakh hectares. Pea area declined by 2.2% year over year at 10.1 lakh hectares. Also, Urad area declined by 7.3% at 7.2 lakh hectares. Now to discuss on the weather front, the recent rains across northern India remain beneficial for the chana and lentil crop growth. However, so far we have not heard any reports of crop damage in chana or lentil due to the last weekend rainfall. And to begin with the production numbers, chana production is expected to be around 90 lakh tons, which is up by 6% year over year. Meanwhile, the second crop estimate of Gujarat government came recently. Gujarat state government has reported that chana production would be 24.9 lakh tons, which is up by 73% year over year, while Rajasthan state government in their first Rabi crop estimate, they showed chana production would be 23.9 lakh tons, which is up by 5.6% year over year. While tur production is estimated at 32.8 lakh tons, which is lower by 8.5% year over year. This is due to the unseasonal rains, which has impacted the crop yield. Pulses imports. Tur imports during April 21 to December 21 was 5.83 lakh tons, which is up by 61% year over year. Urad imports was 4.6 lakh tons, which is up by 84% year over year. Moong imports was 1.51 lakh tons, up by 442% year over year. Kabuli chana and Bengal gram imports was around 1.77 lakh tons. Lentil imports was 6.3 lakh tons, which is down by 32% year over year. Now talking about the international market, Myanmar tur production is estimated at 2.1 lakh tons, which is up by 127% year over year. This is due to the farmers has increased the acreages because in the last season they have got a very good remuneration. Myanmar urad production is expected at 6.75 lakh tons, which is up by 8% year over year. Meanwhile, India remains a major market for Myanmar tur and urad exports. Canada lentil production is estimated at 16 lakh tons, which is down by 44% year over year, while Canada field pea production is estimated at 22.58 lakh tons, which is down by 51% year over year. We expect tur, masoor, yellow pea prices would remain firm in the coming fortnight, given the active buying activity from the wholesalers and millers, while urad prices may trade weak due to a slow offtake and high supplies of imported urad in the domestic market. Chana prices would trade on a mixed note, and it is unlikely to see any big spike as new chana crop is estimated higher year over year. Price charts of Chana daily. Chana daily prices have traded down by around 1.2% week over week. And in this chart, we can see that Chana prices are trading below 5 DMA. However, it is trading above 20 DMA. Meanwhile, our market centimeters of Chana daily shows that Chana prices would trade in the range of 4,995 per quintal in the lower side and 5,313 in the upper side. And the trend reversal point is 5,247. So we expect until the daily close is 5,247, Chana prices in Delhi would remain on a bearish zone for the coming few days. Now coming in the price charts of Tur Gulbarga, prices of Tur Gulbarga is trading above 5 DMA, 20 DMA or 40 DMA, which indicates that prices would remain on a bullish momentum in the coming fortnight. Also, it is supported by our market centimeters, which shows that Gulbarga prices should trade on a bullish zone in the coming fortnight, wherein the upper range and lower range is 6,055, while the upper range is 6,941, and the trend reversal point is 6,340 per quintal. Until we see a daily close of 6,340, Gulbarga Tur prices would remain on a bullish zone. Here is the price chart of Masoor Indore. Masoor Indore prices are trading below 40 DMA and 100 DMA, while the market centimeters of Masoor Indore is showing a bullish momentum for the next few days, wherein the lower range of Masoor price would be 6,993 per quintal and the upper range would be 7,448 per quintal. And the trend reversal point is 7211. Unless we see a daily close of 7211, we expect the firm or strong momentum to remain intact in Masoor Indore prices. Here is the price chart of Yellow Pea Kanpur. Here we can see that prices are trading above 5 DMA, 20 DMA, 40 DMA and 100 DMA, which clearly indicates that Yellow Pea Kanpur prices would remain bullish in the coming fortnight. And it is also supported by our market centimeters, where it is showing a strong bullish. The lower range of the prices is 6276, while the upper range is 7765. And the trend reversal point is 7190. Until we see a daily close of 7190, prices would remain on a strong bullish zone. Here is the price chart of Urad Mumbai. Urad prices are trading below 20 DMA, 40 DMA and 100 DMA. And our market centimeters shows that prices would remain on a bearish zone for the coming few days. The lower range is 6450 per quintal, while the upper range is 6599 per quintal.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe our channel for more insights on commodities. Details are given on the screen. Thank you very much.